we have us a green signal. Overcast, it's starting to lightly rain. But all that's left of this house that was once here, probably back in the Civil War, is this chimney. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. Well, as you can see behind me, a cloudy, cool day here in Broad Run, Virginia. Starting to slightly rain here, and we're waiting on a Norfolk Southern container train. Hey, you can see I put on my jacket. The temperature really dropped. Now it's starting to like sleet and little snowflakes now. But I think that's going to do it here from Broad Run, Virginia. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rail.